What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel memberships on WHOP. So all you have to do is head over to WHOP's website and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just look for your profile icon and just click on it. And in the profile page, just look for memberships. From here, you can see all your active and even your one-time memberships. And all you have to do is choose the membership that you want to cancel. So we're just going to click on the activate membership. And from there, we can easily just click on leave WOP. So as you can see, our membership has now been canceled. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!